How's it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, a triple welcome to you. Today I'm just gonna check in, guys. I'm on my gray hair journey and I just wanted to show you my monthly progress growth. As you can see, I had a little bit of growth. I would say like maybe 1 to 1.5 centimeters of growth, and this is what we're currently working with. So you can see the tips, or the tips of my hair is still dyed. It's the dyed part, which I am currently not loving at all. And I'm just showing you the undercut now. So you can see I had quite a significant amount of growth. You can go and check out the other two videos if you would like to see the difference. I'll link them down below. And this is just the other side of my hair. So what I've noticed is, and you'll probably see it as well, my gray, it has a little bit of a yellow tone to it, and I have come to learn that it is something that gray hair is prone to, and it's just, due to the kind of products that I'm currently using. I'm not using any special products for gray hair. I'm just using my normal products, conditioner and shampoo and treatments that I'm usually using. Because the gray is still covered by the top part of my hair. So as it becomes a little bit more, or as it grows out, I'll probably have to change my products, because I'm not loving this kind of yellow tone in the hair. But for now it's still fine. I'll probably have to get my purple shampoos and conditioners and all those kind of things that I have to test out and see what works best on my hair. So for now, this is what it looks like, and I'm thinking of, I have to start taking care of my gray hair. So I'm thinking of dyeing the tips, lightening the tips, the dyed part of the hair. I'm gonna show you the dye that I'm gonna use. Can you see the streak here in front, guys? I'm loving that streak. So I've noticed one thing about my hair, and it is that I seem to have a lot of gray hair on the sides of my head, and then on the top part it's my natural color, and with a lot of streaks. So as you can see here, you'll see the sides is a little bit more gray, or has a little bit more gray, and then this top part is a little bit more of my natural darker color. So I'm intending to dye the tips, as I mentioned, and I'm going to show you the dye later on that I intend to use, because I've watched a few reviews on this dye and people seem to be liking it a lot. So this is the Renew dye, and it's in the color ash blonde, and it actually has a pre-lightening system, or probably bleach. I don't even know why they use these pretty words. A pre-lightening system, and then it has the color, and then it has the conditioning treatment. So I will be doing that maybe next week. But I don't know if I'm gonna use that dye. I'm probably just gonna do the lightening first and see what it looks like. Maybe use purple shampoo or purple conditioner. If it looks bad, then I will probably use the dye and see what color it comes out. I don't really care about the ends of my hair, because they are dyed, so I am gonna cut them off eventually. So that's just my update for August. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.